Welcome to Interview Reality. Imagine you have been working hard for 2 years, and today you have decided to ask your manager for a salary raise. That is exactly what David is about to do. Let's listen.
Hi, Emma. Do you have a few minutes? There's something I'd like to discuss with you, if that's okay.
Of course, David. Come in and have a seat. What's on your mind?
Thank you. So, I wanted to talk to you about my salary. I've been thinking about this for a while now, and I feel like now is the right time to have this conversation.
I'm glad you brought it up. These conversations are important. Go ahead.
So, I've been with the company for almost 2 years now, and over that time, I feel like my role has grown significantly. I've taken on a lot more than what I was originally hired to do, and I believe my contribution to the team has increased a lot.
Can you be more specific? What kind of growth are you talking about?
Sure. When I joined, my main responsibilities were managing client accounts and preparing the monthly reports. But over the past year, I've also been training new team members, managing our most complex client relationships, and leading the weekly team meetings when you're unavailable. That's a lot more than what my job description originally said.
That's true. I've noticed that you've been stepping up. How do you feel those additional responsibilities have gone?
I think they've gone well. The new team members I've trained have settled in quickly, the clients I'm managing have all renewed their contracts, and I feel genuinely more confident and capable than when I started.
The feedback I've received about your work has been positive. Can you give me a specific example, something with numbers or a concrete result that really stands out?
Yes, actually. The Hartley Account is probably the clearest example. When I took it over 8 months ago, the client satisfaction score was at 62%. It had been declining for 2 quarters before that. I spent time rebuilding the relationship, improving communication, and responding faster to their requests. By the end of last quarter, the score was up to 88%, and they signed a renewal for another full year.
That's a significant improvement. I remember that account was difficult. Good work, David. So, what exactly are you asking for?
I'd like to request a salary increase. I've done some research on the current market, and I've found that people in similar roles with similar experience and responsibilities are typically earning between 10 and 15% more than I currently do. I'm asking for 10%.
And why 10% specifically? Walk me through your thinking.
Because I think it reflects the additional work I've taken on, and it's on the lower end of what the market shows for someone in my position. I'm not trying to push for the maximum. I just want my compensation to match what I'm actually doing.
I appreciate that you've done your research and that you're approaching this professionally. Can I ask, why now? Why this month specifically?
A few reasons. My 2-year anniversary is coming up next month, and honestly, I want to make sure I stay motivated and focused here. I genuinely enjoy working at this company, but when I feel like my pay doesn't match my contribution, it's hard not to notice that.
That's an honest and fair answer. I respect you for saying it directly. I should be transparent with you. This is not a decision I can make on my own. I need to review the current budget and discuss it with HR and senior management. But I want you to know that I take your request seriously.
I understand. I wasn't expecting an answer today. I just wanted to start the conversation and make sure you knew how I felt.
That is exactly the right approach. Good. Let me ask you something. What would it mean for you personally if we were able to offer an increase?
It would mean a lot. It would tell me that the company sees my growth and values what I bring. And it would give me the peace of mind to stay fully focused on my work without that question lingering in the background.
That makes sense. And what if we weren't able to match exactly what you're asking for right now? How would you feel about that?
I'd want to understand the reasons. If there are genuine budget constraints, I can respect that. But I'd hope we could agree on a clear timeline. maybe a formal review in 3 to 6 months, so I have a goal to work toward and something concrete to look forward to.
That's a very mature way to approach it. Now, is salary the only thing on your mind, or are there other things that would also make a difference for you?
Actually, that's a good question. I hadn't thought about it that way before. I think having the option to work from home 1 or 2 days a week would be something I'd value. And I'd really appreciate the opportunity to attend some industry training or workshops. That kind of investment in my development matters to me a lot.
Let me ask you more about the remote work side. How do you see that working practically with your current responsibilities? Some of your role involves direct coordination with the team.
That's a fair point. I was thinking 1 day a week to start, maybe Wednesday or Thursday, when there are fewer in-person meetings. I'd still be fully reachable by phone and email, and I'd make sure any collaborative work is scheduled for the days I'm in the office. I don't want it to affect the team at all.
That sounds reasonable and well thought through. I can look into whether that's something we can arrange. And the training, do you have anything specific in mind?
Yes, I've been looking at a project management certification, the PMP. It would take a few months to complete, and I think it would directly improve how I manage the more complex accounts. It would also help me run the team meetings more effectively.
That's a very specific and relevant choice. It's not just a generic course. It clearly connects to your role. That's the kind of development request that's easier to approve internally. I'll flag it when I speak to HR.
That's really encouraging to hear. Thank you.
Good. Now, while we're here, I want to ask you something about the longer term. Where do you see yourself in this company in the next year or two?
That's something I've thought about. I'd like to move into a more senior coordination role eventually, something where I have more input into how the team operates and how we handle client strategy, not just the day-to-day execution. I feel like I'm ready to take on that kind of responsibility, even if the title doesn't change immediately.
I think that's a realistic goal given the trajectory you're on, and it's helpful for me to know that's where you want to go. It means I can start thinking about how to create those opportunities for you, not just the salary piece, but the actual career development side.
That would mean a great deal to me. I want to grow here, not just be compensated more for standing still.
That's an important distinction, and I'm glad you said it. Okay, I'll reach out to HR by the end of this week. You should hear something back from me within 2 weeks. Does that timeline work for you?
2 weeks sounds very fair. Thank you for taking this seriously, Emma.
Of course. One thing that will help me when I present your case internally is a written summary of your key contributions, specific things, projects you led, results you achieved, client feedback, numbers where you have them. The Hartley Account example you gave me today is exactly the kind of thing to include. Can you put that together?
Yes, absolutely. I can have that ready by end of the week.
Perfect. Include as much detail as possible. Numbers and specific outcomes are always more convincing than general statements.
Understood. I'll make sure it's thorough and easy to read.
Good. And David, the fact that you came in here prepared, calm, with a specific example and with a clear and reasonable request tells me a lot about how much you've grown. That kind of professional maturity is exactly what we look for in people we want to invest in.
Thank you, Emma. That genuinely means a lot to hear.
You've earned it. I'll be in touch within 2 weeks. In the meantime, send me that summary and keep doing what you're doing.
I will. Thank you for listening and for being so straightforward with me. I really appreciate it.
Anytime. Have a good rest of your day.
You too, Emma. Thank you again.
Thanks for watching Interview Reality. I hope this conversation showed you how to ask for a salary raise in English, calmly, professionally, and with real confidence. If you found this useful, please subscribe to Interview Reality so you never miss a new conversation. See you in the next one.